Okay, guys, this is part two of how to set up a job boundary search. So I calc this up a little more, fast forwarded it, and I just offset these lines here, and then you fill it, right? So you go offset 40. You need to know the record distance of the right of way. Offset 40, enter. Offset that, offset that. F for fill it. Make sure your radius is 0. Click those two. Click those two. Bam. You get that offset. And then you can go 73.6 here. Total 73.6. Boom. And then go with this bearing. This is offset 10-foot lane. So we'll just offset that and fill it that. Again, guys, this is just rough for boundary search here. And then we can go 77.11. Now you can put this D here, put the AP map in if we wanted to. Northwest 6.38, 7.8. Just put that in there. Maybe we'll just search for that. And okay, so let's see what else we got. We got this record of survey. We got this parcel map on this side. So let's see here. 444. Let's go back to our record map now. So RS30. All right, resuming again, guys. Fast forward. Now we're gonna put some points in CAD here. So we're gonna go to points, miscellaneous, manual. And we're gonna zoom in. Let's see. Looks like there's a corner there. And I like to let the crew know kind of what's there. It's a rebar and cap, so they know what to expect. Sometimes people are more specific. Back in the day, they weren't as very specific on what size. It could be 5/8. These guys usually set 5/8 meridian. Could be 5/8, could be ½ inch. So we're gonna go down here where that actually is. Looks like there's a path down here. So we're gonna point there. We do ST. That's just the way my mentor taught me. So I search tie rebar elevation 0. This one's a 2-foot offset 2.60. So circle 2.60. Set nail on top of fence. Intersection ST nail on fence. Okay. Another one here, ST rebar. ST rebar. Looks like you said rebar there as well. Okay. Looks like he's got some over here. What is that? Found is noted. 3/4 inch iron pipe. Pipe. And same thing. Oh, and concrete, that's probably still there. Okay. Save that. Alright, so now we got this one. And I'm actually going to start putting points on really all these corners just in case. Just in case we find something. And if we got time, we'll search. We'll search for these. Always search at your property, your subject parcel corner. Always. Where there's no records of surveys. So it looks like set some rebars there. No, it's at 3/4 inch IP. So ST 3/4 IP. Okay. Same thing here. This guy's got a bit over here. 6.42. So the circle is wood guinea. Yeah. Okay. ST quarter P. Guess this one's said ink dot tile patio. That probably won't be there. Set nail and tag on wall. 4.30 offset. Tag. Okay, he's got IP there. STIP there. There. It's got another one there. Okay. We got this parcel map. Oh, we got the survey up here too. So let's give them some of this stuff. I'm just gonna put STIP for the sake of time. This guy's got this drawn weird. We'll figure that out later. Excuse me. STIP. Oh, looks, he's even got some stuff on the center line there. That'll be easy to tie into. He's quite a ways away, 320 some odd feet. At least he tied them for us. That's way up here. I don't think we're going to want to do that. So, if you really get in a pinch, we can calc it. If you really need to, that's pretty far away. I think we'll be okay finding some stuff down here. Let's see, where's that parcel map? Okay. Let's see, STIP there. Set down tag. Oops. STIP there. There if we need it. There. And put some search tags on these, you never know. You never know what you find there. Find stuff unrecorded all the time. You never know. Okay. Alright, so I think that's good. So now I printed out all my maps for the crew. So now I'm going to export these points. If I really wanted to, I'll make a nice little plot here. I'll go like this. Zoom extents. Put a scale on it. Something like that. So we're not done yet. So we want to rotate these because this is the real trick here, because I just calculated all this stuff on the map bearings. So we're going to geolocation. Let's capture viewport. Now we can really zoom in here. And I'm going to fit this stuff on some old walls. It looks like it makes a lot of sense there. I'm just going to rotate somewhere where it makes sense here. Looks like you got some old walls there. It's going through the building. Probably not. It's probably not like that. Probably didn't make it so those buildings encroached. So right off the bat, I can see some issues here. Maybe the building does encroach. These buildings are okay. So yeah, that's just a covered place here. So I look at all this stuff and make sure it makes sense. That one's really close to the building too. Could be some type of rotation here. That looks good. It's pretty much probably gonna be pretty close here, within a couple feet or so. Maybe it's got to go up a little bit more here, so it's not encroaching on the buildings. That goes right through those. That looks good. So it looks like this is interesting, and the rest looks pretty good. So that's really how you do it there. Then you go to points, export those points to your job folder. Loads. This is 25, 45. Search. Okay, and I always give the crew a DXF out. Oops. Looks like it froze on me. Okay, DXF out. Survey uploads. Bam. And there's the little plot you can give them, just in case they can't see the numbers in their data collector. But in this case, we usually always use the data collector. The data collector it's got Trimble maps on it, so I can see this in the background of the data collector. And I can see all the points in the line work too. So I'm not really worried about that now. But this is how you could do it if you wanted to give the crew, a different crew that doesn't have that capability, a plot. All right, this concludes the video of how to set up a job for boundary search. Thanks.